Hello guys, welcome back to this Sag Skills. So now from this video we are going to connect our this application to the Firebase Firestore. And in the previous video we have passed all these controllers, as you can see, phone, email controller, so that we can get all these from the user, and we will save it to the Firebase. And then in the next video we will design our login page so that we will check login is working or not. We will authenticate the user, I means. So if the user successfully registered, so we will log in again by the same email and password which user will fill here. So now let's connect this application to the Firebase Firestore. Come to the Google and write here Firebase console and click on here, and this is the first one, Firebase console optimize. Click on here and you will see like this, your screen will be like this, and go to here console. Make sure you are logged by your email address here. Without this you cannot use this, so make sure you are logged by your email address here. As you can see, I am logged by email. So go to console now and you will see this interface like this. I have these connected other projects, so here you will see like this, add project. So click on it, and here it's asking you the your application name. So let's give name learn Firebase. So this is the name of our project, and now click on continue. Click on continue here. Now select account by default like this, create project, click here, and it will create the project in a few seconds. And as you can see, your new project is ready. So click on continue, and here we go. Now we are on our project. This is our project. Now click here, first of all, authentication here. Click here and here get started. And you will see all these things here for Google login, for Facebook login, for Play out, all these things. In this video we are just authenticated by email and password, so click on this first one and enable this, and now save. Now you can see email password enabled, as you can see here. Now click on this Firebase database here, and now create database. Click here and start in test mode. Click on here and click on next and click on enable. And as you can see, our database has been created. Now click on this storage here and click on the rules, and you will see here this line, allow read and write if request auth like this equals to not none. Remove this till request and write here if true, and publish. Click on publish. Now publish change can be 2 minutes propagate. It's okay. Now click on here this gear icon and project setting. Now click on this Android, because we are connected our Android application. This is for iOS, this is for web. So at present we are using Android, so click on here, and here you have to give your application package, Android package name, and you will find here, come to the So to find this, come to the Android Studio, and inside this we have this Android and app and this build.gradle. Double click on it and you will see your package name is here. You can give your any package name, so I'm just giving here seg system and remove this underscore. You can give your own name whatever you want, but don't change it after paste in Firebase. Don't change here again, just keep it. So say copy this and come to the Firebase and here paste, and now registered app. Now download this Google JSON file, and you can see here is downloaded. Now open it, and here you will see this file. Now we have this Google JSON file here. You can see here, open Android Studio and open this folder. Where is it? This one. Now simply drop and drag and drop, I mean. So drag this and above this application here. Keep this, see carefully on this app and leave it here, and now click on refactor, and as you can see here in the app source, and here we have this Google JSON file. Make sure drop on this application after drag. Now close this file, close this, come to the here and click on next. Now we have to add this line classbar dot and copy this from here. Come to the Android Studio and here build.gradle. You will see here inside this Android we have here this one, not inside app, only directly inside this Android. You will see when you open your Android like this, you will see here this is the build.gradle. Double click on it, and after this inside this dependency we have to add same like this, and then close it. Come to the again here, and here we have to this Google JSON this service. So click this, copy I mean this line, and come to the Android Studio and go to the app here, open app and this build.gradle, and come down here, and after this dependency just paste it here like this, and then file, save all, close all files. Now come to the Firebase and click on next and go to console. Now our application has been connected with Firebase. So in the next video we will check by filling the form it's saving or not inside this. We will check here inside our database here. So we will create some function for that, and we will store our data and we will check it, and we will authenticate user by designing the login screen also. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.